Good day. This week I thought of addressing some repeated pressing issues that I am seeing in OPD nowadays. Some things that I am seeing that parents are getting it wrong. Today I'd like to start with academic problems. When children are reporting academic trouble at school at any age, maybe when they're primary school, kindergarten, or in middle school or in high school, how can we approach this? There are various reasons for academic fallout. One, very most common, and one thing that is not because of the child is the teaching. Check if the child is getting the right kind of teaching in school. Second, if you feel that other children are doing well and the child is getting the right kind of teaching at school, then check if the child is able to do what is before that level. That is the child able to read? Is the child able to understand the language which is used for medium of education, that is English? So then we can address these issues. It might not always be a IQ problem or a learning disability or hyperactivity, but it might just be that the child has not got the right kind of education. Maybe the child has missed out on school during the COVID period, online academics was not effective, or maybe the child has been changing schools and boards. Sometimes I see parents skipping a class, suddenly deciding that the child is much older and in another board they take younger kids. If these come out as problems, or if you have not sat with your child all these days to see their academics, then look at it, work on that and see if there is improvement. If still there is no improvement, then we have to look for other psychological factors which I will deal with in the next video.